Gator Pit of Texas, Ritch Robin. We've got a model that we're going to be putting on our website. This is not a new model, but it's a model that I realized we do not have on our website, and I've had people asking about it, so here we go. This is an upright 36 offset stick burner. Use charcoal, use wood, real wood, not pellets. Kind of looks like our Meat Slinger. The actual design's based off the Meat Slinger, but this is the stick burner only with the offset. We've got, it's going to be probably called the upright 36 offset on my website. I hope to get this up over the weekend for customers to view and order online at gatorpit.net. But we've got your commercial Gator Pit gauges, your flange doors. I mean, you watch my YouTube channel, all this is standard on all of our pits, right? This one does come with a flat top damper. The customer opted and added the birdhouse stack, and he upgraded from the 6-inch casters to the 8-inch casters. Had some road noise there going by a truck. The offset firebox does have an optional cowboy firebox for grilling. It's got a sliding meat rack in it. There, down below is our 3/4 inch fire grate slotted for airflow. Again, 3/4 or 3/8 inch, 3/8 thick. I'm sorry, I'm trying to talk fast. 3/8 thick fire grate slotted. It's got a handle on it to be able to pull and push back in. The cowboy firebox is optional. That thick fire grate is standard. And we have the slide vents here. Opens and closes and everywhere in between. Fully flanged doors. That's all 1/4 inch thick flanging. On the door as well. Heavy, beefy, don't leak. Water won't get in there. The customer did add some D-rings to it to secure it on his trailer when he picks it up. You do have an internal damper for that firebox right there. And some people may say, well, why is this offset not on there? If you put this firebox right there on there, and depending on the size hole you cut out, you're going to have a tremendously hot spot over there, right? Even though we still welded the deflector plate in there, 1/4 inch thick, all that's in there, it still runs extremely hot when you don't have the space between it, right? It kind of slows the airflow down a little bit, so you don't have that, again, that intense heat over there, and it allows you to do the low and slow a lot easier. Gives you a little longer burn time as well. It's all about design, and you can open and close that firebox right there by adjusting this right here in and out. Again, the upgraded 8-inch casters, it does come with the same casters, but in a 6-inch. Stainless steel handles, all that good stuff. Excuse me. Allergies are running rough today, man. It comes standard with 4 evenly spaced slide racks. This customer opted and added 5 evenly spaced racks. And you've got a lot of clearance. I'll show you that clearance with the 5 racks. There's a lot of space there for your large briskets, your large pork butts, your whole big pieces of meat. A lot of space with the 5 racks. I would strongly recommend getting the 5 racks for the cost is relatively inexpensive to do. So get the 5 racks. It does come with standard 4-rack sliding. Again, it comes with a flat top damper. This customer added the Gator Pit signature birdhouse stack, and of course our Gator Pit gauges, all that good stuff. Over here, your push-pull handles. It's got some Gator badging. Again, back to those D-rings. If you say, hey, I want this with a hybrid and a hybrid model as well, that is our Meat Slinger 36 model. That is a hybrid, but you could order this one on the website, the upright 36, and add the pellet hopper to it. I'm going to have that there as well. But here you go. This is the upright 36 model. It's going to be on our website. Try to get it on there today, but certainly on the weekend. Beautiful welds. I mean, these are just gorgeous welds, right? Heavy duty hinges. All that quality that you see me talking about. We make our own hinges. All that quality in all my other videos. I'm not going to bore y'all with being repetitive in our quality of Gator Pits. It speaks for itself. Synonymous there, Gator Pit quality. I'm Ritch Robin. You got that little drip bar down there, but I'm Ritch Robin, Gator Pit of Texas. That's www.gatorpit.net. You can call me at 713-896-0144 or email me info@gatorpit.net. All that will be down in the description below. Again, this is going to be probably called the upright 36 offset on the website. I'll try to get that up there today. I'm Ritch Robin, Gator Pit of Texas. See ya.